This is the Cuisinart Smart Stick. It comes with 3 pieces. This is where the blade is. This attaches to the stick itself. It is when you plug in. It's got the cord right there. And it comes with this cup. So I'm going to show you how I use it. You pour whatever into the cup. Or you can just, a lot of times I use it right in the pot. This attaches here. It kind of clicks into place. So that has clicked. It has low, high on here. And you have to also press the top. Wait a second. Yes. You have to also press this button at the top to make it work. So this is the low, and this would be the high. So that is pretty cut up already, but you can see there's still a little piece. So the low setting, just you could pulse. The high setting is much faster. This button helps it come apart. So these diced tomatoes are now like pureed tomatoes.